My name is Kevin Nguyen. I'm an application engineer here at Toshiba for low voltage adjustable speed drives. I've been working here for about 3 years, and I'm going to show you a demonstration on VLP technology in our P9 pump demo.
Okay, great.
These two guys are used for training purposes. We use them for teaching classes, we use them for demonstrations, use them for trade shows. Really just to get a customer a hands-on experience with a working pump demo with water going all throughout our system.
Okay.
So the first thing I want to show you is how easy VLP is to set up. This is our VLP technology that we use for pumping algorithms. First, we're going to hit the mode button once. That's going to be our monitor screen. That's going to show all the information coming out of the drive, such as frequency, output current, output voltage. Hit mode one more time and you'll see our programming screen. The first item on there is called virtual linear pump. And then we're going to go through a setup wizard. 5 easy steps to set up your process. First screen is going to be motor information. The motor FLA is just going to be right off of the nameplate. These motors have a 3.4 amp nameplate. Application type, you can change it to pressure, flow, or level. We're going to leave this as pressure. We have a pressure gauge right here and a 4 to 20 milliamp 30 psi transducer. Command sources we're going to leave as EOI, which stands for electronic operator interface. This is where we're going to get our set point from. And our lower frequency limit we're going to leave at 15 Hertz. So now that we're 1/5 of the way done, screen 2 is going to be transducer information. The transducer is going to be set in PSI, or we can change it to GPM for gallons per minute, feeder water column, CFM, Celsius, Fahrenheit, or you can do a custom unit such as barrels per day, chickens per hour, or whatever you need. We're going to leave it as PSI. Transducer type is going to be 4 to 20 milliamps. You can set that to 0 to 20, 0 to 10, or 0 to 5 volts. The maximum scale is going to be 30 psi, read right off of the sticker on the transducer. And the minimum scale is going to be 0 psi. Hit next, and that's going to be screen 2. Screen 3 is going to ask me to run the drive. So set your system for normal flow, put it in local, and hit run. At this point, the drive is going to use that FLA of the motor that we entered earlier to run at the full power capability of the pump. Screen 4 is going to ask me for my maximum set point. This is going to be the maximum flow of what the pump can do. We can either dial it down or set it as the 1.0 service factor of the pump. Screen 4 is going to ask me what the minimum flow is. This is going to be application defined. So whether your pump starts stalling, your pipe starts shaking, or you reach a minimum flow, that's what we want to reach. The manufacturer of these pumps recommend not going below 30 Hertz. So I'm going to dial down this value until we get a minimum flow. Okay. We're going to hit next and press stop. That is your 5 screen setup to set up VLP technology.